In this video, let's learn how to enable automatic changing wallpapers on your mobile lock screen. Now you can see my mobile lock screen have one wallpaper. I can set this wallpaper as automatically change. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper and style option. In here, click on change wallpaper option. Scroll down this page. After you can see here wallpaper services option. It has two options, dynamic lock screen and Samsung global goals. Click on this dynamic lock screen option. In here you can download this any category. You want to turn on your mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi on your mobile. Now I already downloaded this landscape package. Now I click on this landscape category. Okay, it's applied. Let's check our mobile lock screen. Now I turn off my lock screen. You can see our lock screen is going to change with colorful wallpapers. Again, I turn on. You can see automatically changing my mobile lock screen wallpapers. In this method, you can enable automatically changing wallpapers on your mobile lock screen.